Announcing family fun for kids of all ages. Exciting stories with a magical mix of lovable characters and spectacular adventure. Introducing Babes in Toyland, an enchanting musical treat.
It's toy time. Oh, it's wonderful.
Join Jack and Jill and a host of your favorite nursery rhyme characters as they set out to save Toyland in time for Christmas in the heartwarming animated adventure, Babes in Toyland. And now, Warriors of Virtue, an incredible tale of magic and adventure.
Warriors? Kung Fu?
Let's go.
Cool.
Journey to a thrilling and exciting world where a young boy joins brave heroes in a struggle of good against evil in Warriors of Virtue. He's slick, he's sly, and he's perfectly pink. It's non-stop laughs with the world's funniest feline. America's coolest cat is back in the hilarious Pink Panther Cartoon Collection. The Pink Panther Cartoon Collection, Babes in Toyland, Warriors of Virtue. Great family entertainment for kids of all ages from MGM.